My dear traders, welcome. Today is Saturday, markets are closed. It's time for the weekly MK block summary with some fantastic trades this week again. So yeah, as always, let's discuss those. So we start with Pound Aussie. Here on the 16th of May at 11:30, I wrote Pound Aussie moving towards the second MTS. Remember, last week it took the first medium-term stop, and then at the beginning of the week I knew already Pound Aussie will come up and take the second one. So an easy long trade there. 17th of May, we see that, it went for it. On the 18th, so on the hour chart, with this pin, look at this precision. Boom, took this target with the pin and then pulled back down. Okay, and I wrote at 11:23 on the 18th, Pound Aussie finally took the upper medium-term stop with a pin bar. How beautiful is this? And look at that, look at this precision. The next day on the 19th, so on Friday, after it took this target, it went down, did a pullback. These things are not random. Okay, I think this is clear now. The market is not random. It's all about, the things we know. The stop hunts, the position hunts. The smart money algos going after the dumb money positions and stops, etc. We know the game. And here you see this analysis conducted live. And this is, of course, very tradable. Well done if you did the long Pound Aussie and you took profit there. Okay? Beautiful. One of the best trades of the week, again, on the 16th, silver. I mean, look, this is also a fantastic example, okay, on the 4-hour chart. The price came down already, but look, we have longies in the market and an emerging squeeze against the longies. So we knew silver will come down further and take more stops, okay. Longies coming in the market, buying, so the algos will push silver down against the dumb money longies. This was on the 17th at 10:25. And the 18th, you look at that. Coming down as expected, 11:17. Nicely down, and okay. Beautiful trade, not difficult. And then, you could take profit. Okay, trading expensively, but it is within a squeeze scenario. So we know that even if the price came down already, it will go down further because longs keep on buying the market. Yeah, beautiful trade. Gold did a similar thing here on the 18th. Okay, did a similar thing. Longies in the markets, emerging squeeze, already at the lows, but we know that we'll go down further and take the next stops. Okay, the blue lines, which is exactly what happened. Boom, beautiful trades. More longies came in, fueled this down move. So position and stop hunt, beautiful short trade. If you caught this one, well done. Not difficult at all. And by the way, somebody asked about timing and all that. Yeah, timing is important, of course, but guess what? It's not even the most important factor, because if your analysis is right, even if your timing sometimes is a little off, in most cases the trade still comes, okay? So what I'm saying is, like, whether you enter here, here, or here, in such a scenario is not the biggest factor. But I will make a separate video about that and explain that in more detail. Okay. Pound Aussie we discussed, so that was that, by the way, was at the beginning of the week. It first took the lower MTS and the option strike signal, and then did the up move against the towards the medium term stop in a range. And here we see this on the 17th. Okay, gold did what it should do. Beautiful. Euro Aussie similar to Pound Aussie. So on the 15th, on the Monday, we have a medium-term stop below the price, an order gap zone. So it took that. Then on the 16th, it reversed and took the upper medium-term stop. And then guess what? Again at a medium-term stop below the price, took that one as well. Look at that. Okay, I made this screenshot on Friday. Look at that. It filled order gap zone, MTS, order gap zone, MTS, order gap zone. I mean, many trades, this week in Euro Aussie, similar to Pound Aussie. I'm sure many of you have caught some of those in a rangy mode, just trading towards the medium-term stop or the order gap zone. Not difficult. Nice one. Okay. Pound dollar a bit more complex. So this was on the 17th. We saw they took the low. Longies were still in the market. And it came off together with euro dollar. And then yesterday I wrote, look, pound dollar could eventually take, oh, too well. Could take the inner range medium term stop with a pullback if no damn longies come in the way. That was at 11 past 3. And that's exactly what happened later the day. Nice long scalp. Nice one. Okay. And you see again, so the squeeze collapsed, squeeze died, so therefore we get for our reversal energy and we can trade towards the inner range target. Nice one, little trade there. Euro dollar also really nice, so that was on the 15th. Okay, we already were in a squeeze mode. Longies are caught, the price is pushed down against them again and again. Look here, if it does a pullback, it fills an order gap zone. Often that's a fantastic entry back towards the overall direction against the longies. Now what I wrote, some US news at 2:30, filling the upper order gap zone as we speak. If during the day more money longies, green bars enter the market, then eventually euro dollar will clear the low again and reach for the next stops. The market is highly sensitive to money longies because it's still in a squeeze mode. That was at 7:49 in the morning. Then on the 17th, cleared low as expected. Look at that, filled order gap zone, you see that? Great short entry, boom, back down below the low against the down money longies. Further, okay, going for the long-term stop, like I wrote here at 11:55. It was easy to predict that euro dollar would go down further. Down money longies kept on buying and fueled the already existing squeeze, okay? The down money longies get squeezed out of the market by the smart money algos, okay? They push them into drawdown and take the stops, okay? Nice if you took some pips off there with a short trade, as I did. And here on the 18th we see, so they cleared the low again and again, over days, you see, because the squeeze goes on. This goes over days, it's not very fast, okay? Then finally on Friday, so again, look, order gap zone, again pull back towards the order gap zone, okay? But of course the market is out of the range, so now you have to be careful. And we then in the evening had the long option strike signals, so it's very likely also the second one gets filled next week. But then if longies come in again, they can retest the low. But obviously if shorties come in, they will do some normalization move. So that will be a theme for next week. Another beautiful trade this week, Euro Yen. So on the 15th I wrote Euro Yen reaching for the upper medium term stop on the 1 hour chart. This one here, the green line. On the 16th, okay, it almost took it. Then on the 17th, overnight, it had taken it nicely. So beautiful long trade, take profit at the medium term stop. Then what happens? Look at that. They go for the next upper MTS, you see? Yen moving towards the MTS around the 150 level. I wrote that at 8:30 in the evening. So nice long trade towards the upper target against the shorties. Come on, this is not difficult at all. We have shorties in the market and upper targets. Of course, the algos push Euro up, take the stops of the down money, okay, of the shorties. And you even have squeeze power on your side. An upward sloping red squeeze line, that's when you want to buy. It doesn't even matter whether you enter expensively in such cases, okay? And guess what? Here, 18s coming up as expected. In the evening, Euro Yen on 1 hour chart, moving as expected towards the upper MTS. Medium term stop. And then on the 19th, okay, Euro Yen going for the upper MTS. Already in profit, of course. Then almost took it, did a pullback. I took profit, but let's see if it comes down further, maybe to a short-term stop or something. Maybe I get another long trade next week, even if shorties come in. And here on the higher time frame on day chart, you see how this looks like, yeah? Shorties coming in, day chart squeeze, boom, up move over days, taking the long-term highs, okay? So this was like a retest, almost a retest of the high, because shorties kept on coming in again. Okay, you get it. Red bars, down money shorties, green bars, down money longies, okay? Is that clear? This is basically, I should really change the name of the channel into anti-AI or something. Because we are outsmarting the algos here, okay? In this game, artificial intelligence is something very old. It's not recent, okay? The world now discovers it for other applications, but of course the smart money uses AI by, implementing these things, okay? So we are, again, on the next meta level, outsmarting the algos as humans by understanding all this, okay? Okay, so Australian dollar also very interesting. Look at that. And I wrote at 557. MTS below, but that many shorties in the way. But you see the big two medium-term stops here. So of course we know they're going to get taken eventually. 18s, okay, look at that. Boom. Took those two, all right. Again, some longies came to speed that process up. Look at that. Again, exactly a pullback away from that target. Not random, okay. Then some shorties coming in. And guess what? They go for the next, here on the 30-minute chart, they go for this MTS, okay. Nice long trade. Shorties, upper target, boom. Grail pattern. Okay? And that's how it looks like on the forward chart. Yeah, it took the lows, squeeze, collapsed, died off, down money switch for our reversal energy up. Yeah? Nice if you caught some of that. Another nice one. So this week again was pretty good, I have to say. Not bad. You know, we know some weeks are slower than others, but look how many opportunities overall we had. It's not difficult to, I mean, maybe you don't catch all of those, but some of those can be enough. So, pound yen, upper target. Pound yen reaching for the medium term stop around the 170 level. Okay, look at that. Boom. Took it as predicted at 1 o'clock, 4 minutes past 1 o'clock. Come on, nice long trade. If you got it earlier, good for you. Better price. And then on the 17th, I show the day chart. Okay, similar to the other one. You see like a squeeze against the shorties on the high time frame. Took the high already, okay, and does some kind of consolidation or triangle pattern here, okay. And here in the lower time frame, look at 6 o'clock. You see shorties coming in the squeeze. These are fueling position bars. A squeeze is going on, and more money sellers come in. Of course, they go up against them. They don't care about this lower target or something. They want to. The squeeze dominates. Remember the hierarchy. Boom, up move. All these shorties taken out. Look, short-term stop taken. Okay. And on the 19th, that's how it looks like, okay? Reached again for the high, cleared the high, a retest of the high, because shorties came in and the squeeze expanded. Come on! How cool is this? Oh, another really nice one. You may remember last week, dollar cut, we tried a reversal, and then but it went up again, but we got the reversal this week. Look at that. Okay, I wrote on the 15th at 7:29 in the morning, dollar cut on 4-hour chart if some dumb money shorties leave the market and therefore the red squeeze line will point downwards. Then dollar cut would do a 4-hour reversal. So down. But that needs to happen first. Maybe today or this week. And look at that. The shorties leave. We get the collapse. Okay? 9 minutes past 1. Look at that. 4-hour reversal down. Dollar cut. Here we have the squeeze line collapse as mentioned this morning. 4-hour reversal down should come. However, the market is still sensitive to any dumb money shorties, so red bars would spoil the short trade. Of course, but look at how nicely it came. Longies came in, not shorties, so we just ride it down. Beautiful short trade. All the way, 4-hour reversal, okay? Nice one. Took profit. And look, on the lower time frame, you see also, remember, when you have 4-hour energy plus an inner range medium-term stop target on the 1-hour chart or sometimes 30-minute chart, nice combination. You know they want to take it. All right? How cool. Then later did a pullback, and then, you know, the dollar cut overall really ended in a neutral mode at the end of the week, like I wrote here yesterday. You see in the middle of the 4-hour range, mixed up money flow, they left the market. Dollar cut here on the 4-hour chart is now neutral, both squeeze died, low money flow, the market is empty, the price is in the middle of the 4-hour range, we made. Okay? But if long is coming again, we make it another short trade even next week. Okay? How cool is that? Dollar yen, a bit more complex. Let's go through it. So at the beginning of the week, it took this nice medium-term stop target. Remember, I predicted this last week that they're going to take it. That was a long trade from last week. Beautiful. And see how repetitive it is. It's not much different from what I showed you earlier here, okay? In euro yen, etc. Come on. So it's shorties came in, okay, emerging squeeze. They took the nice inner range target there. Nice long trade with a precise exit. Okay, again, pull back from that level. You see, it's not random. Once they completed their mission, okay, the price reacts. Then on the 17th, so failed our reversal mode. So remember, this is a case where we do not trade a 4-hour reversal down. Okay, this is a failed 4-hour reversal scenario. It will go up and clear the high. Okay, with an expanding squeeze line. The red squeeze line is upward sloping, not downward. So that means shorties are continuing to coming into the market. They're not leaving, they're coming. So shorties, red bars coming to the market. So the smart money algos need to push dollar yen up again and clear a high, like here, a nice target on the higher time frame. Okay, it's exactly what they did. Look, you can trade long here, expensive, but you are trading at the squeeze, so that's allowed. Okay, nice long trade. And I wrote dollar yen is complex. So obviously once they took the high, then you know you get out and you wait. Okay, because look, we have a bit of a dumb money switch going on the Friday. Okay, and then a collapse finally in the red squeeze line. So shorties got kicked out and also leaving the market. So that's complex. Then we get out, we take our profit, and we wait. Like I wrote at 321. Dollar yen is complex. The squeeze loses some strength since shorties got kicked out. However, there are long-term stops within reach. Oh, an A. The pink lines. We either wait for a proper dumb money switch or for the upper long-term stops to be taken. So we're not trying to sell. Even though, as you can see, now from the screenshot after market close, look, on low time frames, you have 1, 2 open option strike signals, and then later the evening we had the collapse. So shorties got kicked out and left the market, so it actually filled already the first option strike target. Look at that, boom, with the dumb money switch. Yeah. So as you can see, maybe next week we get a short dollar yen trade towards the second and third targets, especially if longies come in. Okay, beautiful. Another nice one, Jesus. You have to give that to me, ladies and gentlemen. My analysis is spot on. Look at that, 17th of May, Kiwi dollar, soon MTS run at 10:31. Kiwi could at some point try to fill the upper 1 hour medium-term stop and order gap zone. Here the target. However, in order to trade long, we need more money shorties, red bars, to enter the market. Seems too early right now. So that was a bit early. So I'm not just buying towards the target, which is so far away, like here, without having more shorties. We need some more shorties. But guess what? That is exactly what happened. Okay, we got some more shorties in the market, and the price reaching for, you know, the upper target. Look at the expanding squeeze line, the red line. Yeah, that's what you want to see. Upward sloping for a buy, the red one, and for a sell you want to see an upward sloping green one. Yes, so beautiful. I'm in profit there now. I took profit yesterday because I didn't want a weekend position. 16th of May, euro pound. Look at that. Took exactly this order gap zone with a pin. Again, no coincidence. I didn't trade that though. So what happened then? You remember this one. So we had an open option signal. The one here got filled. But long is in the way. Okay, we do not trade long towards the option strike target or the MTS if we have a squeeze in the way. This is a squeeze against the longies. We do not want to buy and end up on the dumb money side. Yeah, this is a cardinal sin. Don't do it. So 12 o'clock, I say euro pound is complex. It would like to take the upper medium term stop. However, at the moment there are too many dumb longies in the way. So the smart money needs to shake them off. Okay, which is what they did. But overall, still you got some scalps, okay? So look, filled this one, filled this one, filled the medium term stop one, filled the order gap zone, filled the medium term stop. Nice range. This is tradable as scalps. So if you caught some of that, nice. But then on Friday, so complex, on the day chart you see it nicely. Look with longies, the long squeeze all the way down. Look, they took most highs on the day chart. Most lows on the day chart, you see, with the down move. So now it's out of the range. Of course, if more longies come in, it will take this low, but, you know, like, it can do it easily in pullback before, especially if shorties come in. So I stay away from euro pound for now. This is too complex, okay? We wait until either the price has a pullback up and longies come in, and then if the squeeze is intact, we trade again to the downside. Or if we have a complete money switch to shorties and this squeeze dies, you know, and we get an inner range target, maybe we even look at a long trade next week, but that depends on the market structure. We do not pre-guess what the money will do. We trade what we see, not what we think, okay? That's important. There's no need to predict what the dumb money will do. You just wait and see what it does, and then you wait until everything clears up and you know, okay, this will be taken, I buy, all right? And oh, by the way, if you buy here, you can also make a nice balance stop yourself down here, okay? You protect yourself nicely. I mean, this is as good as it gets. So, again, a fantastic week. Beautiful, okay? Like some really, really great setups. Just beautiful. Gold, silver, pound, Aussie, euro, yen. Gave just like dollar cuts with a 4-hour reversal. just some incredible setups, okay? So I did really well this week again. And many of you did as well. So that's really good. You see how repetitive this is. Look at last week's video, okay? 4 hour reversals, inner range, medium term stop runs, order gap zone, pullbacks, squeeze moves towards the next long-term high, long-term low. I mean, you see, like, it's very repetitive. I hope you realize that. That's why this is just amazing. Okay, I'm really happy, fantastic. By the way, a little announcement. So I'm gonna be in London for a few days next week. So if you are an SME client, you are free to send an email to support@sme-fx.com. Put in the header like Jamal London, and I will try to meet you guys I invite you for a coffee or something, okay, face to face, just to have a personal rapport of some clients who, if you live in London, okay, and you are a client. So if you want, use that opportunity, and we see each other for a nice drink, and I add you to my schedule. How about that? I haven't been there in a while, so I used to live there for a few years. Okay, yeah, so this is just really good. Fantastic week. Well done, everyone. Okay, this is not difficult. Once you got the practice and once you have seen it and once you understand all of that stuff, okay, it repeats itself. All right, we can outsmart this artificial intelligence. Okay, dear traders, fantastic. I'm really motivated. I'm happy that you guys like it so much as well, and you girls. And I will wish you a fantastic weekend and a great next week. Trade what you see. Goodbye.